Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to do facts about budgies, these little tiny creatures. Let's see everything they have in this body, or what they see. So, shiny. Okay. Ow, no biting. Right there. Okay, so let's begin. Where did I put it? Okay, they poop every 15 minutes. So these birds will poop 15 minutes. So if you put a timer for 15 minutes, they're gonna poop, poop, poop. Hopefully she doesn't poop in these 15 minutes that I do the video.
75% of the pet birds in the United States are budgies. So in pet stores, you might be finding budgies because they're 45% of the pets in the United States. Like, that is incredible. Like, you will find these birds and they're 75% in the United States. Like, that's amazing. Budgies can turn their head up to 180 degrees, so they can turn their head really turn it, and we don't even turn it that like all around. We have about 2,000 and 3,000 feathers on their body. So as much as you see these birds have feathers, they have about 2,000 or 3,000. Like, that's a lot of feathers for these birds. And I didn't even know that until I did on this. The natural color of these birds are green. So when you go to Australia, the green color is the only color you see up there. You don't see yellow birds, you don't see blue budgies, you don't see any other color, you only see green. This is yellow. Sorry.
Two types of budgies, the English budgie and the Australian budgie. I personally think that Sunny is the Australian budgie. Budgies grind their beak when they're happy. So if you hear them munching, then that means that they're happy, or when they wag their tail too. Budgies have monocular vision, so that means that they can see a lot of things. Okay, did you know that these birds can live 10 to 15 years? Like, that's a lot, and that's like a lot of years. Don't fly away. So let's go check on our other budgies because I hear them chirping. You wanna go see your friends? Let's go. So other birds are right here. Oh, I think they're scared because right now it's raining. Like, it might be thunderstorm, but I'm not positive. I heard a clash of thunder. But these are my birds. Diamond, Sky right here, Sunny right there, that she was in my video, and Rio, the expert of flying. Come on, Rio. You know how to fly. Show them how to fly. Oh, can get you. Okay, now let's fly. I think it's a fly lesson. Alright, fly. And fly. Perfect, you see? He's barely learning right now how to fly, land, and get to the place where he wants to. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell button if you want to know every time I post a new video. And don't forget to subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Bye. Now let's say Rio, go fly. Say Rio, go fly. 3, 2, 1. You wanna fly? Oh yeah. Sky's fly. Go Rio.